welcome back to my channel. In this DIY we are going to use this rotating bath organizer. That's what it's called. But I'm going to show you how to use it for more than just a bath organizer, of course, okay? Look how good it spins. Pretty smooth, not too loud. If you see this, then please go ahead and pick it up. As you can see, it's $5, so you will find it in the plus section at Dollar Tree. Not only will we be using that, we'll be using this as well. I've been having this for quite some time, even before Christmas. It's got a couple of little coffee spots on there, but that doesn't matter because we are going to spray paint this. And this one was only $125 and it's called a tabletop display. So we will need this as well. Finally, we'll be using one of these Dollar Tree mirrors. This one didn't have a label on the back. Maybe I pulled it off already, but I've been having these forever, but Dollar Tree keeps these in stock. So yeah, you will need one of these if you want to follow this DIY exactly. All right, so before we get started, the first thing I want to do is take this outside. I'll be spray painting the legs, around the border, and around the outside of this. You really don't need to worry about that because it's going to be covered. I'll go ahead and remove the back from here. And I'm going to spray paint the silver as well. So I'll go ahead and do that and then come back and... Okay guys, so back to our organizer. Naturally, the first thing I want to do is remove this label. Now I'll just wipe the outside down. Next thing I'm going to do is take some of these 5x5mm mirror towels from Dollar Tree, and I want to cut 6 rows off. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and remove the backing. Start at the base and continue to go all the way around. Try and keep it straight as possible. Now I cut that a little short because the mirror tiles won't fit all the way down. So what I'm going to do is find the thin row. There's always a smaller row of mirror tiles to be found. And so when I find them, I'll replace that part. Now, for the middle, I'm actually going to go in with 3 larger mirror tiles just to give it a different look. And these are the 10mm from Dollar Tree. Now, because I want to have the option to use this in many other places, including the bathroom and kitchen, that's why I'm using mirror towels, because you can wipe it down. Now, if you decide to use this in your bedroom, or if you plan to keep it safe from water, then it's okay to use something like this diamond bling. Now that would be really pretty on there too. But again, I'm gonna go with the 3 rows of the Dollar Tree 10mm. So do the same thing, just start with the back and go all the way around. So now we have this. And for the top, it's going to take 5 rows of the 5mm mirror tiles. Okay guys, so I'm going to fill this in with mirror towel. I just need to find the pieces. Take 1 row of this bling and just put it around the top. I'm not sure if I want to do that yet, but we can see how that looks. And that does dress it up even more. So I think I'll do that. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that 1 row off and then come back. That gives it a more finished look, I think. Isn't that pretty? So I'll go ahead and finish off camera and then come back. Okay guys, I finished putting the trim around the top. I always hold on to my scraps of little bitty thin pieces like right there on that side that you can use. My battery is actually warning me that it's about to die, so I'm going to go ahead and recharge it, and then when I come back, I'll come back with the frame from my mirror and the base that I had as well, and we'll put everything together. Okay guys, so I'm back, and this is the frame for my mirror, and I did touch it a little bit here by mistake, but that's okay because I'm going to cover that with mirror towel, and I'm going to use the larger mirror towel, just one row to go all the way around. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and replace the mirror, and I'm going to use some more of my Gorilla Glue to make sure that it stays in place permanently. Now just add a little bit of hot glue on the sides. And now I'm going to take the back and just pull this off, and then just put this back in place as well. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and seal this closed with my hot glue. Okay guys, so I'm just going to let this sit for a minute, and I'll be right back. When I put the top on, you still will be able to see this, and I want it to be really pretty as well. So I'm going to go ahead and brush some of this Wicked Stick It on top. You can also use Mod Podge. Alright, so I'm going to allow this to sit up for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and sprinkle some of this extra fine silver glitter that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Okay guys, while the glitter dries, I'm going to move on to the base. This is what it looks like. I went ahead and painted the little feet silver as well. Next up I have some bling. I'm going to use this bling. This is all that I have left of it until I buy some more. And I'll be sure to link it in the description, okay? Okay guys, off camera, I went ahead and put some mirror towel around here, just one row. Oh, and I also sealed my glitter with some of this Got To Be hairspray. You can also use hairspray purchased from Dollar Tree. All right, so now I'm just going to flip this over and put some of my Gorilla Glue on the back. Now I'm going to put this right in the center. I'm being careful not to touch my glitter, just the mirror on the side. Honestly, that's a look in itself, y'all. So now we're going to take our base. So I'm going to go ahead and add some glue right on this track. Pull this over and then put this right in the center. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take this cutting board from Dollar Tree, put it on top, and then put this weight on there to help weigh it down. I'll let the glue set up overnight, come back and show you a few different ways to use it. As promised, here's my completed Glam organizer. Off camera, I decided to replace the feet that were initially on it with these acrylic clear knobs, because the original feet did not complement the finished look. Now, Here's one of many ways to use this new organizer. I filled it up with some bath bombs, some bath salts, and some Q-tips. But it would be cute with like Q-tips and cotton balls and things of that nature. Here I put some makeup brushes in there, some mascara, lipstick, eyeliner, eyebrow pencil, you know, the stuff that we use to make ourselves feel more beautiful. And of course, you can use it in the kitchen. Here I filled it with a few of my spices that I use almost every day. But if I decide to keep it in the kitchen, I'll purchase some clear spice bottles with the silver tops to make it more attractive. And of course, it's perfect for gift giving. You can fill it with all kind of goodies from Dollar Tree and put it in one of those clear bags and put a beautiful bow on it. And then you have the perfect gift for all occasions. Comment below how you would use this organizer. Okay everyone, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.